Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. Today I'm going to go over your social studies achieve article. Today you'll be reading about a cave called the Mamooth Cave, and here's a little info about it. At more than 367 miles, the Mamooth Cave system in Kentucky is the world's longest known cave system. And there I have three pictures, so you can kind of have an idea what the cave looks like. Right. Then I have the before reading poem, which reads, Mammoth Cave is the world's longest known cave. Some people have taken risks and explored beyond the known parts of the cave. What do you think about this? The poll says it is better to be daring than careful. Do you agree or disagree? I'm going to have to agree for this one. I think it's very good to be daring sometimes because you get to explore different things and you get to see other things that people haven't, or you find out new stuff which increases your knowledge. But with being daring, you have to be very cautious not to put your life in danger. So go ahead and tell me if you agree or disagree, and then explain why you voted that way. Then we have a vocabulary for this lesson. The first word is extensive. So extensive is a large in amount or covering a large area. So the water covers a large area of the world. Then we have attraction. A person, place, thing, or event the people want to see. For example, Disney World or Disneyland are a big attraction to kids and also adults because um they want to go there, they want to go visit it. If you like somebody, you can be attracted to them. Or if you like one thing, like if you like to play Fortnite or any video game that's out there, you are attractive to video games. Then next we have labyrinth. A labyrinth is a maze, guys, and here's a picture of it. Then we have vertical, and those are running up and down lines. Like these lines right here, they're up and down. And then we have racism. The idea that one race or of people is better than another. So, like I told my other class, if you remember how back in the days, African Americans were viewed as inferior because of their color of the skin, and also Jewish people. And till this day, we still have racism going on. We have it towards African Americans, we have it towards Hispanics, Chinese people. So racism is still goes on, guys, but as we know, it is not okay, and it's something that we should not do. Next, after you have gone over our vocabulary with me, you are now going to read the article at least 2 times to enhance comprehension. Then after you read the article, go ahead and start on your activity. When you are done with your activity, please comment your grade on your homeroom's link on Google Classroom. Along with your grade, you will also have to write a little comment or about your thoughts about this article, okay? So you're commenting two things. You're commenting your grade, and this is only the first try. And you're also uh, telling me what you think about this article, all right? Then after that, you're going to do the after reading poll. Then go ahead and finish that question. Make sure you do all the 5 steps. All right? Thank you guys. I'll be seeing you soon.